everyone! Welcome to my channel, Coco Beads. This week I'm back with another creative idea using origami shapes. This pendant is very easy to make and they are really light to wear. I'm about to give you a great and fun idea to make for your friends and family, so if you want to know how to make it, keep watching. There are hundreds, thousands, millions of different shapes you can choose for your pendants, so get crazy, be creative and find yours. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.